Evening incense.
This is the brief on the peace offerings from number 7. Welcome to our evening incense gathering, where we're going to see how this ancient ritual wasn't just some religious rule, but a truly beautiful picture of a fully restored, joyful relationship with God. First, let's talk about the offering itself. It's called the shalom, which comes from the word shalom, meaning wholeness, health, and a completely restored relationship. You know, this was actually a unique three-way fellowship meal. God received the burned fat, the priest got the breast portion, and the worshiper ate the rest. It's kind of like a family sitting down for a holiday dinner, where everyone is finally, truly reconciled. I mean, can you imagine sitting at the very same dinner table as God? Second, there was a really vital theological order to this feast. Sacrifices meant to pay for sins, like the burnt offering, absolutely had to come first. So why the strict order? Well, you simply can't sit down for a celebratory feast before the debt at the door has been completely paid. Atonement has to precede peace. Finally, we see Christ as the ultimate fulfillment of all this. In Ephesians 2:14 and Colossians 1:20, we learn he shed his blood at Calvary to bring us back into perfect communion with God. At the cross, we witness this mind-bending reality. Christ was simultaneously the sacrifice, the priest, and the one providing the meal. True peace isn't just a quiet life. It's an unbreakable, fully restored relationship secured entirely by Christ's sacrifice.